big bodybuilders, and day before yesterday, first day was girls. Finally girls, already second year on a row, they on competition. Before there was not allowed girls to compete at Dubai Muscle Show, only in Dubai Muscle Beach. And I got third place in 2018 at Dubai Muscle Beach for the girls. 32 places, third time, and no one knows me, one of the first competitions, so I was really happy. Trust me, everyone can get a lot of press. I'm trying to get today as much as I can, because actually 2 days I didn't try, but I still had some presents. First and favorite is Bar after contract situation, of course. Hi!
When you're moving your feet on the dance floor and you don't care a thing about a word.
Clothes and friends from everywhere around the world. It is dancing as well. Looks like, it literally looks like, maybe it's him. No, it's not him, it's Bruno Mars.
The best music.
Workouts, gym workouts, yeah, booty bands.
That's how we play. We can never go back this road. You never go back that way.
My new skate sisters.
It's good. Yeah.
What's workout even at the show?
So basically, we've got a class on at 12.
Would you like to try? Yeah.
So this is protein,
And what is the price for mine?
about 128. This is a multivitamin. This is protein. Multivitamin.
Delicious.
And this is salted caramel protein.
Vegan one. Disgusting.
No, not for you.
Very good.
I just want to thank you all for this inspirational talk. I hope everyone here was inspired by what everyone here had to say.
Adipose is really interesting. So we used to think of it like adipose is just like, it's the same everywhere and it's just a bunch of globules and fat, and actually like adipose is a really complicated tissue. So there's probably multiple reasons for that. I think part of it is just as that adipose tissue expands, the skin is so stretched that it probably feels firmer compared to when somebody has lost more fat.
Working area with some gym around. Actually, just come in the gym here. In these 3 days, if you don't have time to go proper gym, just come to the Dubai Muscle Show. You can do gym, you can do push-ups, you can do squats, you can do bench press, shoulder press, whatever, pull-ups, literally everything. Biggest and the famous company around the world use their own products for everything.
Position works more the lower part. And now I'm telling that the original twin session position works more the lower part. Peace.
Oh, I miss her. So like at the Dubai Muscle Show, you meet with people who you didn't see like 2 years, 3 years, you miss them, but you really, because of work or stuff, you don't have time. You live in same city, but you never have time to sit, eat, drink coffee. If we are meeting with my friends, bodybuilders or fitness people, we just have time for the workout sometimes, but don't have time to do our personal stuff in general and usual. Dubai life.
For so long, took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me
anyway, when you come into the Biomuscle show, you can always buy the products with discount like 30–50%. For example, I got pancakes with tiramisu flavor. It's pretty hard to find and I found it. And also like, I'm going now to get some cheesecakes, no sugar added, only plant-based milk, and it tastes amazing. If I want something, I'm gonna get it. And for you girls, if you want something, just go and get it. Perfect. Desserts based in Dubai.